Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day and I hope your stock portfolios are doing well, rebounding from the last couple of days. Today we have a very exciting stock to go over and it's called Fisker, stock ticker symbol FSR. Just earlier this morning, Fisker announced a partnership with Foxconn, and a lot of people misunderstood this announcement. They thought that Fisker was actually going to be developing the Apple car because it was a little confusing in some of the reports. This report from Bloomberg said Apple partner Foxconn to form EV partnership with Fisker. From CNBC, they said Fisker shares surge on electric car deal with Apple iPhone assembler Foxconn. So many investors right now think this has something to do with Apple, but in reality, it doesn't. Either way, though, Fisker has had major partnerships over the last couple of months. Late 2020, they had a major partnership with one company. Now they have this other major partnership, and that's going to lead to hundreds of thousands of vehicles being delivered. Right now, the stock price is up about 40% for the day after this announcement. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the company, where I see it going in the future, what exactly are the specific details of this partnership with Foxconn, and the other partnership they signed in late 2020. So we're going to go over everything you need to know, and if you enjoy this sort of content, you find it helpful, well, then make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on Fisker. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Last year, our public investing account on Patreon, which is currently sitting around $700,000, was up over 105% for 2020. This year, we're already up over about 30% for the year. Our goal is to get that account to $1 million. And if you'd like to see what stocks I'm investing in real time, when I buy a stock, when I sell a stock, if you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, access to our Discord, and be able to talk directly with me about stocks, well, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We have a great time over there talking about stocks, investments, and things I don't talk about on YouTube. So anyways, today we're going to talk about this report from Fisker, stock ticker symbol FSR. Fisker for today is up about 40% after this announcement. If you look at it over the last month, the stock is up 52%. So it really, just from the last couple of days alone, is up a majority of what it has done over the past 6 months. But Fisker, they announced that they have a partnership. So Apple partner Foxconn is going to be forming EV partnership with Fisker. And the car, exactly what's going on, is the car will be built by Foxconn, targeted at multiple markets, including North America, Europe, China, and India. So those are the markets that they're going to be targeting with the cars in this partnership. They'll be sold under the Fisker brand, and production is set to start in the fourth quarter of 2023 in this partnership. After the partnership was announced, Fisker's stock skyrocketed because the way they worded it, they made many people believe that the partnership was actually for the Apple car, but this has nothing to do with Apple car. The only thing this has to do with Apple is that Foxconn is an iPhone assembler. They assemble and manufacture a lot of iPhones, but this has nothing to do with Apple's car, or really Apple in general. But Fisker and Foxconn, this partnership is going to produce more than 250,000 vehicles a year for Fisker, and according to the statement, they said that Fisker said that this isn't their first vehicle that they're going to get produced. This vehicle is going to be produced in 2023, but they do have another vehicle that is set to already start production in the fourth quarter of 2022. And this is with their partnership with Magna. Magna and Fisker expect to start production on the Ocean, which is going to be their first vehicle, and that's supposed to be in this fourth quarter of 2022, and that's going to be manufactured exclusively in Europe. So this deal with Foxconn will give Fisker more exposure to other markets with US, China, Europe, India. It's going to give them really worldwide exposure, and another 250,000 vehicles a year is what they're saying this will produce and this will yield in the future. And the CEO, Henrik Fisker, came out and said in a statement that will create a vehicle that crosses social borders while offering a combination of advanced technology, desirable design, innovation, and value for money, whilst delivering on our commitment to creating the world's most sustainable vehicles. The company said, Foxconn and Fisker, that the deal, which is codenamed Project Pear, is expected to close in the second quarter of this year, and this is going to be really big for Fisker. They have major deals, but I just want to clarify that this is not a deal for the Apple car. This is strictly a deal between Fisker and Foxconn. So right now, Fisker has a valuation of around $5 billion, and you can see right here, about $5 billion. And right now, they haven't produced any vehicles yet, like many of these other EV startups. Their first vehicles are not set to roll off the production line until the end of 2022. So this is a very high-risk, high-reward investment. Getting in now is like getting on the ground floor. You don't know exactly what's going to happen in the future. Me personally, after the massive run-up we've had recently, I think there's going to be a lot of hype around this stock. But for me and our growth portfolio on Patreon, it's a little too risky of a play. There are a lot of electric vehicles out there with very high valuations, and like even a company like Lucid Motors, their vehicles are set to roll off the production line at the end of this year. Fisker isn't even set to roll off the production line until the end of 2022, and they're not going to have global production until the fourth quarter of 2023. So with a $5 billion valuation right now, when they have nothing really coming off the line until the end of 2022, 2023, I'm not personally going to be investing in it. I like the company. I think it is a very high risk, high reward play. Could yield, 10x returns in the future if they're able to deliver on all of their results. But for me personally, I just want to see some more numbers come out for them. I want to see how people actually like their vehicles, what happens with that before I start putting more money into this electric vehicle maker, because we already are exposed to a number of other electric vehicle companies. But anyways, I wanted to clarify what's going on with Fisker, Foxconn, and Apple. Wanted to make sure you guys know it's not an Apple car. It's strictly that Fisker is working with the Apple iPhone assembler, Foxconn. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts on Fisker, stock ticker symbol FSR, what you think about the company. Are you invested in it? Are you going to invest in it? And where do you see the stock price going in the future? But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.